Hey beautiful family, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anna G, and today I'm gonna come with y'all with a video of a basically like a cook with me, clean with me type vibe that I'm doing today. I'm gonna make like a big batch of taco soup in the pressure cooker. So yeah, I'm gonna get that going and just clean up the kitchen as I go and stuff like that. So let's get right into the video.
He got me high above, like the sun by the moon, he's a star. Baby, I'm lighting up, like a fool, it's true, it's true. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all, I'm being honest. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He make me feel like the type of fire that burns from within, shining like I'm made of gold. I shine, it's true. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound, safe and sound. We just do what we do, ain't no joke about love. He's the one that I die for. Dance along, side by side, can't believe that he is mine. We just do what we do, my love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love. He's making me blow my mind and I can't stand the thought of being without us. I'm being honest, y'all. Yeah. He's making me jump from high ground, keeps catching me every time I fall. He got me safe and sound. My love, my heart is beating even faster, faster. He got me feeling like I'm ready for anything, look at me go. Oh, my love, my love, my love. He got my love, he got my love, he got my love.
taco soup, dark red kidney beans, 2 cans of those, light red kidney beans, I got 2 cans of those, pinto beans, 2 cans, 2 big cans of diced tomatoes, one is diced, one petite, and then 2 cans of the rotel tomatoes and 1 big can of sweet corn seasoning, the taco seasoning, and then the ranch packets, and then whatever other seasoning that you like. If you like what is it, garlic powder, I do nature seasoning, onion powder, other type of seasonings that you like, you can throw in there too. So but this is basically the gist of the recipe, and of course the meat, and you can use whatever meat you want. I did ground turkey. Yeah, use whatever you want. This is kind of like a meal where you can kind of just add stuff to your liking, but this right here is basically like the gist of the recipe. So yeah, that is it.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule? Why is our love at one-sided? It should really be give and take. Fill you up and leave me empty. Baby, was that my mistake? Covering these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad right now, I can't even think straight. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind. Tell me what choice I have now. I just wanna get it right with you. But if we try to talk about it, our history says we'll just argue. And I know you're gonna act a fool, and then no one could tell the difference between me and you, babe. Watching from a distance, hiding these feelings, going through changes. I'm just so mad, but now it's at my own expense. So I'ma just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Maybe I need some space, need somewhere, somewhere else to go, to release, to relax, to let my emotions flow. But for now, I just tweet it and delete it, knowing you won't read it. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. I'd rather just tweet it and delete it, oh, before we cross the line and we reach a point we can't rewind. Rewind, rewind, rewind.
All right, y'all, we are coming to the end of this video. The kitchen is all clean, as you can see. We have dinner on at an early time in a pressure cooker as well. So yeah, you guys, I really enjoyed making these videos. I enjoy making the clean with me and cook with me videos anyway. So if you guys definitely enjoy these, please give it a thumbs up, and hopefully it motivated someone out there. If you can, get dinner on it at an early time and keep your kitchen a good clean so you can be able to just relax for the rest of the day. So yeah, you guys, thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell so you guys be notified whenever I drop new videos, and I will definitely catch y'all on my next one. Bye, y'all.